Have you ever wondered what fuels your car or heats your home? The answer lies in a group of simple yet fascinating molecules called alkanes. Let's dive into the chemistry of alkanes that powers our daily lives. First, mark the learning objectives of today's video. Introduction of alkanes, preparation of alkanes, reactions of alkanes, and at last, a short quiz for you. Introduction of alkanes. The hydrocarbons in which all the carbon atoms present in a molecule are joined together through single bonds are called alkanes and saturated hydrocarbons. The general formula is CnH2n and the hybridization of each carbon is sp3. Imagine you are a chemist and given the task of creating new fuel for the latest generation of rockets. How do you start? Yes, with alkanes. Let's discover some methods for preparation of alkanes. Alkanes can be prepared from alkenes, alkynes, alkyl halides, alcohols, carbonyl compounds, salts of carboxylic acids, and alkyl boranes. For now, we will discuss the preparation only from alkyl halides and alkyl boranes one by one. Alkyl halides give coupling reactions for the synthesis of alkanes. Number 1, Wurtz synthesis, and number 2, Corey-House synthesis. Wurtz synthesis is useful only for the preparation of symmetrical alkanes, while Corey-House synthesis is used for preparation of both symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkanes. In Wurtz synthesis, the reaction of alkyl halide takes place with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Alkyl from one alkyl halide and alkyl from another alkyl halide couples up to form alkane. Both molecules of alkyl halides should be same. In Corey-House synthesis, alkyl halide reacts with lithium dialkyl cuprate, also called Gilman reagent. The reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. One alkyl from alkyl halide and another alkyl from Gilman reagent couples up to form alkane. Now understand the preparation of alkanes from alkyl boranes. Reaction number 1, hydrolysis. Alkyl boranes on hydrolysis with acetic acid give corresponding alkanes. Reaction number 2, alkyl boranes on treatment with sodium hydroxide and silver nitrate also give corresponding alkanes. What happens when alkanes meet a spark? Explosive reactions. So let's continue the video, as now we are going to explore the powerful and sometimes dangerous reactions of alkanes. Alkanes only give substitution reactions like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, chlorosulfonation, oxidation reactions, aromatization, isomerization, pyrolysis, and many more. Here we will discuss only halogenation and pyrolysis. Number 1, halogenation. The alkanes react with halogens at high temperature or in the presence of sunlight to form alkyl halides, or you can say haloalkanes. The order of reactivity of halogens is this: fluorine being most reactive and iodine being least reactive. Halogenation is an example of free radical substitution reaction. Number 2, pyrolysis. It is also called cracking, in which thermal decomposition of an alkane is carried out at high temperature and high pressure, which results into the formation of alkenes. Let's challenge our knowledge by this short quiz. Lithium dialkyl cuprate gives alkanes on reaction with option A, alkyl halides, option B, alkyl boranes, option C, alcohol, and option D, all of them. Answer the question now. If you want to understand the nomenclature of organic compounds, then click the video on the left side of the screen. But if you are a beginner and wants an introduction of organic chemistry, then click the video on the right side. Until next time, happy learning. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.